Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. This is our third one lecture, and as in our previous lecture, we have talked about the climate of Antarctica and the South Pole, and today we will go for the rest part of this unit, Antarctica and South Pole. Okay, so let's begin the third one paragraph of this unit. Open your books, page number 4. So let's start. Who wants to live in the coldest, windiest, driest place on earth? Now, in this one paragraph, they are asking a question. Question mark is at the end of the line. Who is willing to live in this coldest area? Of course, these are some type of animals. Okay, and the animals are penguins, seals, whales, a few types of birds, and fish, of course. Okay, so these are the animals who are living in Antarctica. Okay, look at this picture. These are penguins. This is the picture of whale. Okay, the largest sea mammal. Okay, this is whale. This is seal. These are the type of animals which can be found in Antarctica. The Antarctic is teeming with wildlife that has adapted to living in freezing conditions. Teeming, full of, be filled with. Wildlife, wildlife is animals that has adapted. Adapted mean adjusted. Freezing, of course, which is very cold. Conditions, situations. So Antarctica is the place which is filled with animals, those animals who have been adjusted their bodies to live in these freezing conditions, in freezing situations. Okay, penguins huddle together, they make their groups for warmth, and whales and seals have plenty of blubber, fatty tissues to help prevent them getting cold. Okay, so penguins make huddles, they make their groups for warmth, and whales and seals, which already have plenty of blubber, plenty mean a lot of, large amount. Okay, they have a large amount of fatty tissues which help them to prevent to stop, okay, to stop them getting cold. Okay, now let's visit the Antarctic airports. Believe it or not, there are quite a few airports in Antarctic. There are the number of airports. The most recently opened airport is Wilkins Runway. Okay, recently, which is opened not long ago, and the name of that airport is Wilkins Runway. Okay, which is 40 kilometers from the coast. Coast, the part of the land near the sea, or you can say the edge of the land. Work began on the ice runway in 2005 but was carried out during summer months only because even during the hot season the temperature can be low as minus 35 degrees centigrade. As winter season is freezing, it is too cold. Summer is also freezing, but the temperature in summer is a bit low, that is minus 35 degrees centigrade. Okay, the ice runway is 4 kilometers long. You can see in this picture, this is the Wilkins runway, and this runway is 4 kilometers long. Okay, before the use of planes and helicopters, it took scientists 5 weeks to travel from Australia by boat to Antarctica. Before this runway, it takes 5 weeks to reach Australia. They can now get there in less than 5 hours. So this was about the Antarctic airports. Let's do the activity of word sentences. We have done the words meaning. Now this is the activity of word sentences. Okay, so look at the first one word, that is prevent. Prevent mean to stop. Okay, so the sentence of this word would be, we should try to prevent unlawful behaviors. You can write your own sentences. Okay, the next one word is freeze. The children are going to freeze out there. Come to the next one. Covered. The word is covered. The mountain was covered with snow. Travel. Travel. She likes to travel around the Europe. Condition. I bought a used car in excellent condition.
Okay students, let's move to the exercise of this unit. So the first one activity of this exercise is the question answers. Answer the following question. The first one question is, where is Antarctica? Answer is, Antarctica is at the bottom of planet Earth. The next one question number 2, how much of Antarctica is covered in ice? Answer is, 98% of Antarctica is covered in ice. Question number 3, where is South Pole? The answer is, South Pole is in the very middle of Antarctica. Okay. Question number 4, name 3 animals found in Antarctic. What are the animals which can be found in Antarctica? So these are penguins, seals, and whales. Question number 5, how do penguins stay warm? Answer, penguins huddle together for warmth. Okay. So dear students, the exercise which we have done, that was about the question answers, and that was exercise A. Now come to the exercise B, that is about the true or false. Okay, look at the statement here, true or false. There are some statements about the Antarctica and the Wilkin runway. You have to see that whether these statements are true or false. Okay, you can also put the tick mark and cross mark. So here you can see the box, and these are some statements about the Antarctica. Okay, Antarctica is the North Pole region, so this is the wrong statement. We will write false. Antarctica has only 2 seasons. This is true. 2 seasons are winter and summer. Antarctica is dark all winter, so this is also true. We'll put the tick mark. Now come to the next box. In the Antarctic. In the Antarctic, blubber keeps seals warm. This is true. So blubbers are the fatty tissues, and the fatty tissues keep seals warm. So this is true. Okay. June is in the midwinter. So this is also true, because the duration of winter season is from March to September, so June is in the mid of winter. Okay, it is bright all through December, so it is also true, because in the December it is the weather of summer. Come to the next box, that is about the Wilkins runway. Wilkin runway is made up of ice. This is true. Wilkin runway is made of ice. This is true. Wilkin runway opened in 2005. No, this is not correct. The work began on Wilkins runway in the year of 2005, but it carried out in the season of summer. Wilkin runway is 50 kilometers from the coast. This is false, because Wilkin runway is 40 kilometers from the coast, not 50. Okay. So here I'll end up my video. The next exercises are in the next video clip. Okay. Take care and Allah Hafiz.